Hello, and welcome to this video on JPAD Modeller by SmartUp Engineering. Let's see how JPAD Modeller can be used as a useful pre-processing tool to create and export aircraft models. During this video, we will show you how to create an aircraft starting from a limited set of information, and how to use it in combination with the FlightStream solver from the Research and Flight team. Enjoy! Let's start opening the pre-design module by clicking on the pre-design button. This part of JPAD Modeller allows you to create an initial aircraft model starting from a limited set of data, subdivided into three main categories: specifications, Class 1 weight data, and sizing plot data. You can manually fill all data or load a pre-existing input file. Let's load a file related to a narrow-body aircraft similar to the A320neo. An interesting feature of the JPAD Modeller pre-design module is represented by the possibility to override some statistical geometrical parameters and to apply geometrical constraints to see their effects on the sizing plot chart. In addition, differently from typical conceptual design tools, which expect the user assumes reasonable values for most of the aerodynamic parameters like efficiencies, Oswald factors, and maximum lift coefficients, JPAD Modeller allows to estimate them, implementing a knowledge-based approach since the conceptual design phase. Let's now generate the aircraft by clicking on the Generate Aircraft button. The aircraft parametric model is now ready to be passed to the Aircraft Input Manager module of JPAD Modeller. For more information concerning the pre-design module of JPAD Modeller, have a look at our video tutorial playlist on YouTube. Okay. The aircraft is now loaded and ready to be modified. As you can see, JPAD Modeller has already generated the aircraft CAD from the parametric model, applying also some automatic advanced CAD features, like rounded lifting surface tips, the wing fuselage fairing, ducted nacelles and pylons. However, you can further refine it by manually handling the parametric CAD directives in the sliding menu on the right. Here, you can add detailed movables for each lifting surface, or you can customize CAD components like pylons and nacelles. Since the focus of this video is not on the geometry management system of JPAD Modeller, let's now export this aircraft model. For more information concerning the Aircraft Input Manager module of JPAD Modeller, have a look at our video tutorial playlist on YouTube. To open the export menu, first you must be sure that the aircraft is updated, then you can click on the Save button. We can either export the parametric aircraft model or save the related CAD in several file formats. Let's now click on the Aircraft Data button and JPAD Modeller will provide us with the list of all possible exporting options. We are now interested in the FlightStream exported, so let's click on the related button. Thanks to the joint development between SmartUp Engineering and the Research and Flight team, of the interface between the two software, JPAD Modeller offers a very powerful preprocessor to easily configure all exporting options needed to generate the FlightStream component cross-section file, also known as CCS. Let's use the default options and let's export the aircraft model. We can now import the aircraft model inside FlightStream by right-clicking on the Mesh section and selecting Import. Let's find the CCS file using the file browser, and click on the Import button. Let's use the default importing options. And we are done. We are ready to analyze our JPAD Modeller aircraft in FlightStream. Thanks for watching.